Hello dear students, welcome to our seventh video of this Python programming series. In the last video, we have seen how to find the highest common factor of the two numbers. In this video, we'll see how to find least common multiple of two numbers. As we know, the least common multiple is the number which will be divisible by both the numbers which we are taking it to find the LCM. So let's see in the programming section. Write a program to find LCM of two number. So here you will need to input two numbers. Let A is equal to int input, enter first number. One extra bracket has been there, so remove it. So now it is for the B and it is second. Is for the second number. Now we need to find largest of the two. So L, yeah, max M is equal to A. Again we are using the ternary operator. If A greater than B, else B. Now for I in range, the ACF will be lie between M and A into B plus 1, as it will lie between M and A into B. Both are included. Now we'll have to check which I is divisible by both. Which I if I mod A double equals to 0 and I mod B double equals to 0. If I is both divisible by A and B, then I will be the LCM. So LCM is equal to I, and here initially we'll have to take LCM is equal to, that is the M. The lowest number that can be LCM, that is equal to M. So we have written here M, and then after we are checking it whether it is divisible by both of or not. Now as soon as we get a number which is divisible by both A and B, we will take it as LCM and we should not further check it.
To do it, we need to break it. Break. With the break statement, we'll terminate the loop as we have got the LCM. So further we need not check it, otherwise we will get a wrong LCM. So we need to use the break statement and we'll terminate the loop and we'll print it. Print, and that is LCM. Now let's check it. Enter the first number. So let the first number be 4. Second number, let it be 8. So LCM it is 8. Let's try it again. First number be 9 and second number be 18. Not 18, 12. Let it be 12. So LCM is 36. Try once more. First number. First number let it be 7 and the other number be 8. So 7 into 8, it will be the LCM, that is 56. Okay.